JLM Performance DPF and GPF Cleaning Spray is a professional-grade particulate filter cleaner suitable for both diesel and petrol engines. The cleaner comes with a tube and a special spray nozzle. It uses a new, advanced foam formula designed to extend contact time and improve adhesion to the internal filter structure. This, in turn, helps in loosening and dissolving soot and carbon deposits accumulated inside the particulate filter. Vehicles used mainly for short trips often fail to reach exhaust temperatures high enough for proper filter regeneration. This results in a partially blocked filter, leading to reduced engine performance, increased fuel consumption, and eventually a system warning. JLM offers an effective solution to this problem without the need to remove or dismantle the filter. The DPF and GPF cleaner is sprayed directly into the particulate filter via the temperature or pressure sensor port. The treatment restores the full flow capacity of the filter and improves its regeneration performance.